people? I hope you guys are doing good. You are doing great. Today we are here with another video. By the way, it has been long since we posted something. You know, we have been busy here and there. You know, she goes to school, she's not around. We are here again. It's us, mother and daughter moment, always. Ukituona sisi wawili jua it's either ni mafunzo, kama si mafunzo, either tuna argue, kama si argue, ama maybe I'm just correcting her on 1, 2, 3. Unapata, you as a mother, whoever is watching there, as a mother, ama maybe just a father or whatever you are to your young ones, ama maybe your child, your sister, your whatever. How do you interact with our Gen Alphas? How do you interact with Gen Alphas? Because she has turned 10 and I'm so happy. Yay! Anyway guys, so today we are here with another banger, with another educative video. And our today's video, we are going to do something very important. We are just going why are you sleeping? Mbona unalala? Can you please just sit properly and please look at these people. They're going to support you and you are busy here whatever. Anyway guys, so ukiniona na karatasi ujue there's some few things I'm going to teach my daughter. Very few of them, and they're very important, and they might be educative to you. Whoever is watching, it can give you some lessons here and there. You can't tell, you can never tell. So today, in our today's video, what we are going to talk about is setting boundaries even with the adults. I'm talking about my 10-year-old daughter. And you set nachoma na nini? Unaniambia nachoma aje? Ananiambia nachoma, hati mama nachoma. Gen Alphas shida. Anyway, setting boundaries even with adults. That is what we are going to discuss today. So, Pesh, ni aje? Uko poa? Are you happy? Are you so happy to be here? Okay, you can tell our people something. Tell them anything.
Subscribe.
Just subscribe. You can't say anything.
Like and share.
Subscribe, like, and share, of course. That is what you need to do to support us. So, Pesh, let's go straight to the point. I've said we are going to discuss about setting boundaries even with adults. And what do I mean? When you set boundaries, you as a young child, a young girl, society at least kuna venye umegrow and unaweza uka differentiate between something bad and something good, si ndio? Sasa nikisema unaweza ka differentiate between something good and something bad, that one I mean yani unini ku set boundaries. Like wewe kuna some things zinaweza happen, ama kuna some moments something might happen around you na ukose kupenda, si ndio? Of course sasa umejisetia boundaries. For example, adults are not that, it's not that adults are always right. Ukiona mtu mkubwa wako, ama maybe hata your teacher ama mzazi wako yoyote ama mtu yoyote, si wote wako right. No. Just because they are adults, don't think that they are always right. Hapana. Kuna wengine unafold karatasi yangu na alimu. Kuna wengine hawako right. Kuna wengine they are wrong in whatever they do. Sasa unaona, you as a young child, kuna sometimes when you see something that is not that is not welcoming, something you maybe haupendi, you are allowed to feel uncomfortable. For example, you might be around someone and you feel uncomfortable. No, I'm not okay being around this person, being around these things. It's okay, and it's very normal for you to be uncomfortable. Kitu unaweza sema, unaweza enda unaambia mama yako. Your mom is someone very close to you, and you can do what you can say whatever you have seen. Ama maybe you can tell her any secret that you have. Don't keep any secret from her, your mother, of course. So you are always free to feel uncomfortable wherever you are not comfortable around something or around some people. So even hata kama ni mtu mkubwa na una feel kuna some weird behaviors around there, you are okay. You are just, it's normal for you to feel uncomfortable. Unaweza tu sema, please excuse me, I don't like the way you are behaving. I don't like the way you are talking to me. It's normal and it's allowed. Umepata? Then another thing, your body and feelings, of course, they belong to you. When I say that you feel uncomfortable, it's your feeling. When do you feel where you are not okay around someone, you're not okay with what you have been told to do. Hata kama nimekwambia mama nataka unifanyie kitu, kama unaona feel comfortable, feel kufanya, it's okay, it's normal, you can say it. Unaweza sema tu mama, manze mimi hapa kile umeniambia nifanye hivi, I don't feel like doing it. Yani I don't feel it's good. To me it's not right. Unaona? Hapana. Ati nitakuchapa. Siwezi kuchapa. Of course siwezi kuchapa. Mimi kulingana na venye tu sasa venye na grow nikiona. Na feel, yani naona you are growing up. Now the more you grow up, the more you need to know things. The more you need to know a lot of things around you. Sijui kama unanisikiza uko tu kwa vitu zako. Nataka uconcentrate kuniangalia na kusikiza vizuri. Are you listening to me? Sasa you are free to feel your feelings. Yani that feelings you have, it's normal and it's your body and it's feelings that belongs to you. Yani sasa hakuna mtu mwenye sasa kama unaona something is not right around you, ama kuna kitu haiendelee vizuri mbele yako, au kuna mtu amekwambia kitu yenye ufeel, usikimbie kwanza kuuliza, "Mama, wewe amenifanyia hivi na hivi. Nikubali ama nikatae?" Hapana, usikuje kuniuliza, it's your right. Kama ni kitu mbaya mwambie hapana, sitaki. Because you are growing up and you can be able to differentiate between bad and good, si ndio? Unasema tu mimi kama unaniambia nifanye hivi sipendi na sitaki. Unaona? Mimi hapa penye umekuja kukaa mimi si feel kama niko comfortable kukaa na wewe. Tafadhali can you please just move a bit far. Unaona? You are free. Sawa? And then another thing, no? Yes, ndio. Okay, respect does not mean silence. Yani respect does not mean silence. Haimaanishi ati sasa wewe kunyamaza sana na respect someone. Hapana. If you are not comfortable with that person, maybe it's an adult, and you're not feeling okay being around that person, ama maybe kuna kitu amekwambia now that unamuogopa, sasa unanyamaza, uwezi fanya kitu na muogopa mpaka sasa unajifanya in the name of kuogopa, in the name of respect unamuogopa. Unaona? Anko yako, kama anko yako amekwambia kitu yenye upendi, kitu yenye utaki, si ati uogope kusema, umwambie hapana, mimi sitaki kufanya hivi, ati juu na mheshimu sasa unaogopa. Hapana, respect does not mean silence. Unaongea, you open up. Kesho mimi unanigove na una behave hivi. Uko hapo tu kwa vitu zake na mimi niko na muongelesha. Unajua that one is disrespectful. Okay, let's continue.